guys, welcome back. So if you probably can already tell, I'm recording another video on the same day. So this time I am going to share with you what came inside of my Boxycharm box. Still sealed shut. I have not opened it at all. I have my scissors right here and I'm getting ready to open this. Like I always say, I have not cheated. I do not go on their website to see what may be in this box. I just like to be surprised. So I just popped it open and let's see what the card looks like. It says Boxy Bash and that's what it looks like. Now, in case you don't know, Boxycharm is a subscription box with full-size makeup products that will come every month for $21, and I think it's a really, really nice box. It also puts on the back what they sent in the box and how much what the retail value of it is. So let's look in here and see what I got. So the first thing I see is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. And I'm really happy with this. I love getting primers. I love trying new primers and seeing which one will work best for me. I have still yet to find one that really covers my pores right here. Some people say, well, you can't see them, but to me, when I'm doing my makeup, I still can see right in these areas, like my trouble spots. So this, I hope, really, really works good. Okay, so the next thing I see in here, oh, that retailed for $30, is that the $38? $38. So that's pretty good. That's really good. And that's why I'm saying the box is only $21. So then I see this Aesthetica brush right here. And for some reason I cannot get it open. It looks like they, okay, I got it. I was gonna say the way it was packaged was, yeah. Okay, so this is the brush. It says Aesthetica right there. Really nice brush. Let me tell you guys something real quick. I can appreciate a really nice brush and the way it feels like when I'm putting it on, but I am not a brush expert and I feel so bad because, you know, I see other people doing their reviews and they're like, oh, it's really dense, or it's this soft and this, and it's firm and that. To me, the brushes, I can tell when one is firm and one is really soft, but that's as far as I can go with it. That's all I can say. And then once I use it, I can tell you if it's really nice to apply your makeup. So I think this is going to be really nice. And yeah, so this one is, oh, is there another? Okay, no. There's some other brushes in here too. I got it confused. So this is a face brush. It says with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. So I will try that one out. Here's another set of brushes. And that first brush retails for $27. These brushes is a 3-piece eye trio. It comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. And these retail for $45. I'm happy I get this box because this is not something I would spend $45 on. I'm so sorry for these 3 small brushes. I couldn't. And they might be really nice brushes, but I couldn't. It's just a spoolie, an angled brush, and a lip. Is that what that was? Is that what I said? I mean a wing, like a wing tip brush. $45. So if you're looking for a good subscription box to get, this would definitely be the one for you. They also put in here, oh, there's something underneath that thing. This is the Pretty Vulgar. Now, I've recently started to like the Pretty, is that blurry? Is that getting blurry, you guys? Come on. Okay, so you guys have to bear with me. I'm using a different camera. I've spoke about my Canon camera that my son purchased for me for Christmas. I have yet to use it. I know I feel so bad and I'm trying to use it right now. So if it looks different, if it's getting blurry and it's not, I still have to learn my settings. So work with me, you guys, work with me. Oh, I didn't want to. Is this liquid? Is this liquid? I don't know. I opened it up. It says the Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. It looked like it was liquid, but I didn't want to keep turning it over because I was scared it was going to spill out. But it is the Gel Ink Eyeliner. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C. Wow. To condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. And it retails for $24. I'm so sorry I cannot show you up close because I know it's getting blurry. Yeah. So then I see hand skincare cosmetics, all natural lip gloss, antioxidants and vitamins, and it looks like this, healthy and natural. It's just a lip gloss, or is it a lip, did I say lipstick? Yeah, lip gloss. I have so many lip glosses this color. I'm kind of over it. But it is moisturizing lip gloss that's formulated with antioxidant rich argan and acai oil and infused with anti-aging superfruit extracts and vitamins to benefit the lips. So that's what this is about, and it retails for $15. Okay, right when I thought I was done, I don't see anything else. I seen something else on here, so I kind of lifted up the crate, the black crate stuff, and there is something under here which I didn't see, and it's in bubble wrap. So let's just get that open, and this is the last item. And Boxycharm is really good with putting in like either a lip palette or an eyeshadow palette or something of the sort, and it's really nice. And this is, they're really good with partnering up with let me sit this down, with partnering up with this company called Pure. It needs to be cut open. And so it says Pure Sculptor, and that's cute. This part right here is a mirror. It says you are the sculptor of your own destiny. And what is this? Highlight and contour palette. So that's really, really nice. And those are the colors. So it's a highlighter and a contour. And they usually send products from Pure, and I'm starting to like Pure, and it has the magnetic closure. I'm really starting, oh, that smelled good. Hold on. It smells kind of sweet. It smells like, it actually smells like the Too Faced chocolate bar palettes. Kind of has a sweet chocolate smell. So like I was saying, was they usually send items from Pure, and I'm starting to really appreciate and like this company's makeup because it's really, really nice quality. Really, really good. So that is it. That was in my Boxycharm box. If you are not getting one, I don't think they have a waiting list anymore. My videos are not sponsored by them. I purchased these by myself. So I will link them down below. I do not have a discount code or anything, but I will link them down below in case you want to purchase one yourself. I just like to come and share with you what was in my box. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.